precision in construction begins long before paint hits the wall. Today, we take a closer look at an essential process, plaster screed installation, or in Chinese. It starts with measuring the wall to determine the perfect vertical alignment. Workers then mark key points in the mix and match of base plaster to the right consistency. With trained hands, they apply vertical lines of plaster, called guidelines, at strategic intervals across the surface. Using a long, straight screed tool, each line is carefully leveled and straightened. These guidelines form the skeleton of a perfectly flat wall. They act as rails, ensuring that the remaining plaster will be applied evenly and smoothly. Once the guides are in place and hardened slightly, the infill plaster begins. The plasterer uses the guides as reference edges, dragging the screed tool across them to fill and flatten the surface between. This process removes dips and waves, delivering an even, professional finish. Even with modern tools, this method remains widely trusted, especially in large-scale or high-precision interior work. It's a perfect example of how experience and craftsmanship work hand in hand. Each wall level this way is built to last. So next time you see a flawless wall, remember, lightly starting with a careful and aesthetic.